This is Mabel's Tables, and I am doing a collab with Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Penny's Lifestyle Living, and their co-hosts are Sister Cousin Lifestyle, The Rogers House, and Debbie Bubbles. And we are to decorate a lantern Christmas edition, and they wanted us to have fun. So, yes, I had fun with these lanterns, and I will show you what I did with my lanterns. First, I would like to say thank you to Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and to Penny Lifestyle Living. And I also would like to say thank you to Sister Cousin Lifestyle, The Rogers House, and Debbie Bubbles. Let me hit you up a little bit about these ladies. Now, I'm going to start with the co-host, Sister Cousin Lifestyle. I love her channel because she's down to earth and she do some good decor. Now, that Christmas tree that she made in her family room upstairs, and she thought it was all crazy. Well, I think it looks good because I love crazy things. And the Rogers house, she is so sweet. She's always calling out others. She do roll calls for others, shout out for others, and I think that is so sweet for her to do that. And her mom, what a beautiful mother she has. I was in tears when she did that room makeover for her mom. And Debbie Bubbles, welcome to the walls of my home. I love when she says that. Now, you all know Anna. Anna have Tablescape Tuesday and Sophisticated Saturdays, and she does great DIYs as well. And Penny, y'all know Penny. I call her my gospel girl because she and her husband will come on and tell you like it is about the word of God. So, okay, now I've hit everybody. Let us go to those lanterns so you can see what I did with my lanterns. Well, okay, here are my lanterns. I decided to cover my lanterns and make them into a Christmas special. They said we should have fun doing this, so I had fun making my lanterns. I used the little girls' tulle, Tull skirt that they sell at Dollar Tree. See, these are just the little skirts here, see? And I just pulled it up over my lantern like this to make it pretty. Here's the handle of my lantern. And then this is a candy cane that I made 3 years ago to go on a tree. And I put it down in my lantern like this. And on the side, you will see I have my candy cane bows and my candy bows on the side of my lanterns. And I had 3 lanterns, and they all are dressed out in this little girl's skirt. I forgot what you call these skirts for little girls that you put on, the little tutus. Oh yeah, the little tutus. Because you know, my girls was in dance troops and I had to buy tutus, but this is not one of their tutus. This come from the Dollar Tree. So this is what I did with my lantern. And to let you see that it is a lantern, this is the skirt here over my lantern. This is my lantern right here. And this is the handle on my lantern. I like these lanterns because I think that these lanterns was the kind of lanterns that the 10 virgins carried in the Bible when it says 5 virgins did not have oil and couldn't make the trip. I like to think that these lanterns was made like this because they could pick it up and swing it and carry it to meet the bridegroom. When the bridegroom called, some of them had to go back and purchase all, and they lost meeting the bridegroom. And y'all know who the bridegroom was. That was Jesus the Christ. Lord have mercy. So make sure you keep your lanterns oiled and trimmed so that when the bridegroom called, you will be able to go. I would like to thank Anna so much for having this collab. And I would like to thank Penny, Lifetime Living, and their co-hosts again are Sister Cousin Lifestyle, The Rogers House, and Debbie Bubbles. Ladies, thank you so very much. And don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And always know that God is alive and well, and that this is his world, and there's nothing you can do about it. Not nothing. God controls everything in this world. And I'm so glad about that. All right, now, don't forget to keep your lanterns filled with oil and keep them trimmed. So when the bridegroom cometh, you'll be ready to go out and meet him. Mabel's table saying prayer works, y'all. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to ever pray. Mabel's table saying adieu. God bless you all.